The center was established in 1969. That's 50 years ago. And we were one of the first centers of its kind on Tufts campus. Over the years, we have provided programming that will help students, the Black students on campus, navigate being on a predominantly white campus.
Our experiences aren't centered as much when we're like in other spaces or when we're in classrooms and things like that. And I think that makes the Africana Center really unique, and also the fact that we have the opportunity to live here.
We do share our space with the residents who live in Capon House, which means we have a full functioning kitchen. We have an underground space in our lower level that is available for study groups, dance rehearsals or rehearsals.
My favorite part of the Africana Center is right here in the lounge, where you can come here for free printing, to laugh with your friends in between classes, and to take a nap even.
The center also has an art gallery where we encourage students who are artistically talented to share their work with us.
For me, like living here is just such an incredible honor because I get to be surrounded by like Blackness and just Black history.
Our first really significant program is our Peer Leader program, which is going into its 36th year. This year we will have peer leaders that will be reaching out to the first-year students to help them acclimate to being away from home and making the adjustment into a college environment. As part of our first-year programming, we also have an overnight retreat to Cape Cod. This year it will look a little different because guess what? We won't be going to the Cape, but it's still going to be an exciting experience for you to get to meet your peer leader and also the members of your class. We are starting with our SQUAD pre-orientation program. SQUAD stands for Students' Quest for Unity in the African Diaspora. This is our 5th year providing this 4-day experience for first years to help give you a head start. We also have a focus on our sophomores with your sophomore year program. We will be helping you to make decisions about majors or if you should do study abroad.
Having this space available to you, having like the Africana Center peer leaders, having like the Africana Center events is going to be a really great way for Black students to feel more welcome on campus and for them to know that there is like a space that is for us and by us.
We have a group that we call the Africana Advisory Alliance, and that group is made up of all the student organizations that identify with the Africana community. We meet on a regular basis to come up with unbelievably fabulous programs and events. We also have a Black men's group and a Black women's collective, weekly discussion groups. We are so looking forward to meeting you, and we want you to be able to have access to this space. But for safety reasons, we will be closed at the beginning of the semester.